Welcome to our CBS Reviews. Today we bring you the review of another video transmitter from EWRF, and this is the e7082TM. Is a 5.28 GHz 48 channel video transmitter with a power input from 2 to 6S, 6 to 25 volts, and the output power that is selectable is pit mode, that is almost 0 watts, 25 milliwatts, 100 milliwatts, and 200 milliwatts. Before continuing, please subscribe our channel and help us grow and get better products and get better reviews. This video transmitter is very small, as you can see, is more for micro builds and 2 and 3 inches, but it can also be used on another build that, as long as you don't need more than 200 milliwatts. This have a dipole antenna and is small, so you can fit it in micro builds. Over this side we have the LCD that displays the band, the channel, the band, and power output that you will have. One of the most important features is that supports smart audio, and you can connect to your flight control, so you can through OSD change the band and frequency that you want to use, or you can also change the power output mode. Over here, let's look at the wires so you can see what we can connect. From the top to the bottom we have the power, that is red, and the ground, that is black. This green is to use the smart audio. The violet is the ground. Yellow, it is the video, and white, it is the audio signal. This is if you want to supply your camera, you can use the orange wire, so you can to power the camera. Over here you have a button that you press to select the frequency and the bands, and also the power. I will connect it to the power supply so we can see how we can configure this video transmitter. Once powered, it always is changing through three informations at the same time: the band, the channel, and the power output. To change the parameters, you must do a long press on the button and starts blinking, and this is the frequency that you are using, so you can change from which frequency you want. Another long press, it's the band that you can change also and start, as you can see. Okay, and another long press is power. I is the H is 200 milliwatts. This is pit mode, or no power output, or almost no power output. This is 25 milliwatts, and this is 100 milliwatts. I will leave 200 milliwatts. Long press and exits the menu, and it starts to changing the three informations again. As you can see, it's a very simple VTX, but small and light. It's very light to a build that you want to do with low weight. You can use this transmitter that is very good. The build quality is also good. The solderings are good, and the price is very affordable. I will leave the link to if you want to buy on the description below. Please subscribe our channel, and Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us a like or any comment that you want on the section below. Until next time, bye.